Hello, welcome to our Timeseries web application for cryptocurrencies deployed via the Streamlit API. Our dashboard comprises of market updates, market recommendations, as well as about the project, that is, the names and contact details for the individuals that contributed to the success of this application. The link to the application is in the description below to those who may be interested in exploring further. In our market updates dashboard, we have an input slider that takes days between 1 and 15, and the input in this slider will predict the Bitcoin price for that day or days in the future. In this case, our input is 1, and the estimated price for Bitcoin for one day or for tomorrow is 35,455.11 cents. So if we want to predict Bitcoin price after 3 days, we just slide our input to 3 days. And the estimated price for 3 days in the future for Bitcoin is 30,248.19 cents. Below is a visual of the performance for Bitcoin since it was launched in 2014 to the current day. And as you can see, we are on an uptrend, and as we have seen, the prediction 3 days into the future is around 30,000, which is above here, which satisfies the trend that we have seen for an uptrend. On the market recommendations tab, we get the historical price data of cryptocurrencies that include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. We get historical prices spaced between 2 days, and as you can see, the price for Bitcoin was 4,760, which was the highest in our table between the cryptocurrencies we have. You can also compare Bitcoin USD against Ethereum and Dogecoin. For some investors that may be interested in the analytics of the variables on the performances of different cryptocurrencies, you can explore further in the individual tables for the different cryptocurrencies. As you can see that we have the previous close price for Bitcoin, the regular market open price, the 200-day average price, as well as the average daily volume 10-day price.